To make a good impression on a new client, it's essential to understand the foundations of building positive relationships with them. The goal is to show that you know how to make a lasting impression and that your approach is the right fit for the company. First impressions are crucial, and there are many ways to significantly impact a new client. Being attentive in meetings, researching the company before the initial appointment, and having an enthusiastic attitude towards the client's goals are all effective ways to start. When answering the question, it's vital to provide a detailed overview of your approach, including specific details of how you would develop a relationship with the client. If you have experience, consider sharing a brief story of when you built a relationship with a new client, highlighting how you developed that relationship and how it can benefit the hiring company if you were to be the successful candidate. To provide a compelling answer, it's best to avoid simplistic responses, such as saying you would make a good impression by being nice to the client. Instead, dig deeper and provide details that demonstrate your understanding of the client's needs. Using a hypothetical story example or a real-life example, formatted using the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, can help organize your response and ensure you provide the right amount of information. This approach enables you to showcase your ability to build strong relationships with clients and demonstrate how your skills can benefit the company. A good example of how to answer this question might involve describing how you would personally reach out to new clients. Ask targeted questions to understand their expectations, and work with your team to exceed those expectations. By providing specific details and examples, you can demonstrate your ability to make a lasting impression on new clients and show that your approach is a good fit for the company. Ultimately, the key to a successful answer is to show that you understand the importance of building positive relationships with clients and that you have the skills and approach to make a lasting impression.